What's up, guys? So right now I am recording directly from my dash cam. The audio is coming from the dash cam as well. Anyways, you guys ready to rock and roll? Let's give this a test run. Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a dash cam here. This one is by WinLogi. This is the FX-8 model. This has a 155 degrees wide angle lens. And I'm gonna go ahead and first do a unboxing, show you everything that it comes with, and then we're gonna take it outside. We're gonna take it for a spin. I'm gonna go ahead and drive in daylight as well as nighttime because it does have night vision on here as well. And just going over the box really quickly, show you what the box here looks like, and we can go over some of the important details here. We have a 2-inch LCD display. You have a complimentary GPS, which allows you to track route and speed. I think it's most important to have the GPS because when you hook up the GPS, you're able to record how fast you're driving in miles per hour or kilometers per hour, your choice. And it also has loop recording, which is basically when your SD card is full of videos and photos, it'll start overwriting the other videos and photos as well. It also has Wi-Fi function here. So what this is for, basically, you can go ahead and download like the app and you can put it onto your phone. This way you can review the photos and videos directly from your phone. And I'll show you all that in 1 second as well. So let me go ahead and take this out of the box here. Now there is one thing I forgot to mention, but the video can record in 1080p, full HD, and you can also take photos, and you can take photos up to 12 megapixels. So you can see right out of the box here, we have the instructions manual here. We have the actual dash cam right here. You can see all the function buttons all on here. And then we get this box here, and let me show you all the components. All right, so some of the stuff that's included is, of course, you get like a suction cup here, which you can go ahead and mount this onto your windshield. Now, one of the great things I like about this dash cam is basically when you have this hooked up to your windshield, if you ever wanted to record yourself, and it records audio as well, but if you're in the car and you ever wanted to record yourself or whoever's in the car, you can go ahead and flip this whole thing over while it's attached, and then you can record everybody that's in the car. You can record the conversations. Another great thing too is because it's so easy to turn over, if you ever get pulled over by a cop or anything and you want to go ahead and put them on the camera, go ahead and just swing it over just like that right into your window. Now what else we have here is we have some holders with some 3M tape if you wanted to put the GPS somewhere else besides on your windshield. And we also have like a bunch of little clamps here if you kind of wanted to hide your wires. The great thing for me with my car, I didn't have to use any of these. I basically just tuck all the wires inside the weather stripping all around the windshield, all throughout my car. And right here is the power cable here, and you can see it's attached to this like cigarette adapter here. Basically plug this into your cigarette lighter, and you want to plug this directly into the dash cam. You can see that this cable is actually really long, and on the back of the cigarette thing here you do have an additional USB port if you want to plug in a different device as well. And we also have this data sync cable here. Now this basically is for if you want to go ahead and transfer the footage of photos and videos directly from your dash cam to your computer, then you would just hook this up. Now in order to view the footage, obviously you can go ahead and use this cable, connect it to your computer, and see all the photos and videos directly from there. But you can also pop out your SD card, put that in your computer, see the footage, or if you download that app on your phone, you can go ahead and view the footage directly from your phone as well. And last but not least, we have this GPS component here. Now, I really like this because, you know, not only can you track your location and stuff like that, but once you have this like plugged in, it'll show you the miles per hour or kilometers per hour, however fast you're going, is actually going to be on the footage. So if you ever had to fight a ticket or anything like that, you can go ahead and show them the footage. Now the cool thing with this one here, at first I thought I would have to mount this somewhere like on my dashboard, but what I did was I wanted to hide this whole entire thing. So on back of my rear view mirror, I just basically just taped it right there. So let me just go ahead and give you a closer look of the dash cam here. Here's the 2-inch LCD screen. And you can see the actual wide angle lens right here. And of course I attached the suction cup already. And down here you have the speakers, and like I said, not only can you record video, but you can record audio as well. And I'll give you a side view here, and we can see the top here, and this is where the SD card goes in. You have to go out and buy your own SD card as they don't supply you one though. And right here is actually the mic as well. And if we look on the other side here, right here we have the USB port. Here is the GPS socket. Here is a reset button in there, and here is the power on and off. Now looking at the front side here, We have a menu button, up, down, okay. And right here is the mode switch button if you want to change it to like video or photo, or if you want to replay all the photos and videos, you would use this button as well. Now let me go ahead and power this up. Now I don't have the GPS plugged in here. As you can see, there's no GPS, but once I plug that in there, I'll be able to see miles per hour, kilometers, basically how fast that I'm going. And we have a menu button right here. Just go ahead and pop on that. And you can see from here, you can change the resolution. The default's at 1080p. I would actually recommend everything that's on here on default, just leave it on default. I mean, the audio is on, you have 1080p. Photos max resolution is at 12 megapixels. Also, the recording for each video, the default is set on 1 minute, and that's the one that I prefer, but you can do 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. And we have the WDR, exposure, record audio, timestamp if you want to change that, the GPS, G sensor. And here's the Wi-Fi right here. And if I want to go to the wrench right here, I just tap on this menu button again, and then we go to the wrench. And from here, you can go ahead and change the date and time, time zone, beep sound, the language that you want, the frequency, screensaver. You can even format the SD card in here if you wish. Since I already have this dash cam on, let me go ahead and record a quick video right here and also take a photo, and I'll show you, okay? Okay, so to take a photo, I'm at 12 megapixels right now. Simply just go ahead and tap on this, just like that. And then let's go ahead and record a video as well. And I'll tap this button right here, and we are recording. It is recording my audio. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Let me go ahead and stop it right there, and let's go ahead and review the footage. Okay, so here's a video I just took. You can see the photo right here. Let's go ahead and play that video. Let me go back up here, and let's press on play.
We are recording. It is recording my audio. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
And you should be able to hear the audio coming directly out from the actual dash cam. Why don't we go ahead and view the photos and videos from my phone as well. In order to do that, you have to enable the Wi-Fi. Remember guys, this is Wi-Fi direct. It has nothing to do with your Wi-Fi network. It's a direct connection between your dash cam to your phone. So first thing is to make sure that you download this app right here. It's called TimeAcam. And let me go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi from the dash cam first here. Just press on menu here and go all the way down to the last one, which is Wi-Fi here. Tap on that, click on, and then go into your Wi-Fi settings on your phone here. And it's going to be called this one here, this NVT_card. Let me tap on that. And then I'll go ahead and go directly into my TimeAcam app right here. And I'll press on recorder here. And then from here, right from the TimeAcam app interface, you can download this on iPhones as well as Android phones too. But we have a settings option here. If you go in here, all the settings and everything that you can change on here, you can basically change physically on the dash cam itself as well. So let me go back here, and you can also you can start video, you can take photos from here as well. Let's just go ahead and view some of the footage. Let me go ahead and tap on photos here. And this should all populate with all the photos that I've taken. And that last photo I took was right here. Let me go ahead and tap on that. You can see that is timestamped as well. I can go ahead and zoom in. Again, this is 12 megapixels. Let me go back here and let's go into the video here. So tap on video. And let's go into the video that I just shot here. I think it's this one right here.
And we are recording. It is recording my audio. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Test.
So that is pretty cool. All right, so now for the fun part. Let's go ahead and plug this up to my car, and I'll do a daytime footage as well as nighttime too. All right, guys, this is for real. Now we're going to take it out for a real spin. Let's do this. well guys, thanks for watching. And honestly, I have, this is my third dash cam. By far, this is my best one that I have. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.